The United States continues to demonstrate its commitment to maintaining a decisive edge in air combat through the development and deployment of cutting-edge uncrewed aerial systems (UAS), with the latest initiative centered around enhancing the Kratos XQ-58A Valkyrie, a jet-powered autonomous aircraft initially designed for launch without traditional runways. This bold move reaffirms America's relentless pursuit of military superiority, technological innovation, and strategic flexibility in a world where near-peer adversaries are increasingly aggressive and technologically capable. The latest development, transitioning the XQ-58 Valkyrie to a conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) configuration, is not merely a technical upgrade. It reflects the broader and evolving mission of the United States Department of Defense to rapidly adapt to dynamic battlefields and guarantee air dominance in both peer and asymmetric conflicts. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, an American defense contractor headquartered in California, is leading this charge. On April 15, 2025, at a U.S. aerospace industry event in Paris organized by the Oklahoma Department of Commerce in anticipation of the 2025 Paris Air Show, Kratos President of Turbine Technology, Stacy Rock, officially confirmed that a CTOL version of the Valkyrie is under active development in direct response to specific demands from within the Department of Defense. Although Rock did not disclose which branch of the military is behind this push, all indications in recent operational testing point toward the United States Marine Corps as the primary customer. The USMC has already engaged in extensive test flights of the Valkyrie, assessing it for advanced missions including suppression of enemy air defenses strike operations, and electronic warfare, domains in which unmanned systems are poised to revolutionize future combat. The XQ-58A Valkyrie, which has captured global attention for its low cost, treatable design and ability to operate autonomously while integrating seamlessly with manned platforms, originally used rocket-assisted launch via a rail and recovered by parachute, a concept born from the need to operate in austere or denied environments where runways may not be available. While this approach provides tactical flexibility, the addition of traditional wheeled landing gear will significantly increase the Valkyrie's utility, especially in coordinated operations alongside fifth-generation fighters like the F-35B. CTOL capability will reduce logistical burdens, streamline deployment cycles, and improve turnaround times for combat operations, key factors in a contested Indo-Pacific environment, where time-sensitive targeting and rapid response are critical to deterring adversaries like the People's Republic of China. Indeed, test operations conducted by the U.S. Marine Corps in October 2024 provide a preview of how the CTOL Valkyrie may be used in the battlespace of the future. During these flights, Valkyrie units successfully teamed with Lockheed Martin's F-35B Lightning II fighters, America's premier short takeoff and vertical landing (STOVL) stealth aircraft. Using the Link 16 tactical data link, the Valkyries acted as forward-deployed sensor platforms, collecting and transmitting real-time targeting data back to the F-35Bs, which were then able to engage simulated threats. This concept of manned-unmanned teaming (MUMT) is central to future U.S. air combat doctrine, allowing for a distributed force structure that is more resilient, more lethal, and less vulnerable to saturation attacks. Despite being passed over for the initial increment of the U.S. Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program, which instead selected General Atomics and Anduril for further development with their YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A platforms, both featuring full CTOL capability, the Valkyrie remains an active and relevant contender for future U.S. defense needs. Its CTOL iteration will help it remain competitive as the Department of Defense expands its investment in autonomous systems capable of fulfilling multiple mission sets across the joint force. Kratos' ongoing work is deeply rooted in American manufacturing excellence, with Valkyrie production taking place in Oklahoma City, reinforcing the U.S. government's commitment to domestic industrial capability, job creation, and national defense readiness. The company has previously tested a detachable wheeled trolley system to simulate conventional takeoff, but the move toward a fully integrated landing gear system marks a critical milestone. This transformation will not only enhance operational capabilities but also align the platform with the U.S. military's logistical infrastructure and support requirements. While no precise timeline has been provided, Stacy Rock assured attendees that Kratos plans to fully demonstrate the CTOL-capable Valkyrie before the next major industry gathering, likely the 2026 Farnborough International Airshow. This sets the stage for a pivotal year in 2025 as the U.S. continues to push the boundaries of what unmanned aircraft can do, not just as reconnaissance or support elements, but as integral, autonomous members of the air combat team. It's worth noting that Kratos CEO Eric DeMarco, who initially unveiled the CTOL concept in 2024, was expected to speak at the Paris event but was absent without explanation. Nonetheless, Kratos' leadership remains fully committed to advancing the Valkyrie program, regardless of temporary changes in representation. Their dedication to innovation is not only a testament to the resilience of American industry but also a reflection of how seriously the United States takes the strategic imperative to remain technologically ahead of adversaries. The pursuit of a CTOL-capable XQ-58 Valkyrie by the United States is about more than modifying an aircraft. It is about reaffirming America's absolute resolve to lead the world in defense technology, maintain air superiority in an increasingly contested global environment, and ensure that the U.S. military is equipped not just for today's threats but for tomorrow's conflicts. Through the Valkyrie and other advanced UAS platforms, the United States continues to set the standard for 21st-century warfare: efficient, adaptable, integrated, and unrelentingly superior.